warm welcome to our respected principal ma'am, coordinator ma'am, to all the dear teachers and our lovely children here. Today, our little ones from class 1E are all set to spread smiles, laughter and energy as they present their class assembly on the theme Showers of Joy. Let me share a lovely quote by Bob Marley that some people feel the rain while others just get wet. Our children are here to show that how they feel the rain with joy, wonder and celebration. So here we start our assembly. Hand over to you, Agustin.
Beautiful assembly with a grateful heart, we will now start with a prayer song to thank God for the lovely rains, the fresh air and the joy all around. We will do a prayer on showers of blessing. Thank you. As you enter, the rainy season has arrived. It's the time when nature wears fresh green dress. It feels alive and joyful. Thank you.
Everyone, the trees look fresh, the grass so green, a cleaner world can now be seen. A cool breeze blows down to the air, rain makes magic everywhere. Thank you.
Our raincoat bright and far and carry umbrellas. We splash water in puddles and laugh with glee. The rain makes us dance with glee. Thank you. Clouds are croaking, peacocks dance. Clouds are moving in a trance. The earth gets dressed in green again. It's all because of lovely rain. Thank you. Hot pakoras for me. We eat them with chutney and tea. Rainy days bring cozy delight. Everything feels just so right. Thank you. Forget the farmer, smile, rainwater field, mile after mile. Rain gives life to every tree, helps the world to grow. You see, thank you. Rivers flow and ponds get filled, watering they give great help. Let us save it from the water source which is bright and watery. Thank you. Sound of raindrops fall, tapping lightly on window and wall. It is like nature's lullaby so sweet, making the
I never fell fall. Once upon a time there was hot and dry day, sunshine was brightly and everyone was saying thank you. I thought they wrong, but I think I have stayed too long. Oh my god, my knees are drying. I need some peace. I'm tired and I'm drooping low. I miss the rain and its lovely flow. Everyone looks so tired. No one is praying. Even the flowers are drooping. I wonder, is it time for my crowding friend to peep in? Here I come, rolling the sky with drops of joy. Drip, drop, we fall and sing. Joy and fun we always bring. I love the rain, it makes me dance again and again. It's raining, let's play outside. Bring my boots, let's splash with pride. Thank you. Rain for giving me life. My knees are flexed, now I survive. I'm doom again, bring yellow and red. Rain kisses on my head. Rain has stopped and now I shine with 7 colors all in line. Rain and sun together made me a perfect sign of joy and glee. Now it's time to celebrate the joy of rain with a splash of music and dance. So sit back and enjoy the dance performance on theme Showers of Joy.
season going on, and very nice assembly done by class 1E. Okay, so big round of applause to them. And the students did very well, they were very confident. And look after yourself in the monsoon season these days, because you know it is raining heavily outside.
Yes, let's see what.
That's nice. So please look after yourself in the monsoon season. Okay, it's raining heavily. Don't get drenched. You know what is the meaning of being drenched? You can enjoy the rains, but don't get drenched in the rain. Okay? Use your umbrella. Eat healthy food. Okay? Drink lots and lots of water. Okay? Thank you so much. Okay, good. Give me a thumbs up. Good. Thank you so much, and very nice. I really enjoyed it.
Thank you so much, ma'am.